Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to edit your phone number in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Manage My Google Account. Step 4. In the Google Account settings, click on the Personal Info tab. Step 5. Under the Contact Info section, locate and click on Phone Number, followed by selecting your phone number. Step 6. Next to your phone number, you will find the Edit icon, represented by a pen. Click on it. Step 7. Update your phone number with the desired changes. Step 8. A box will appear with instructions. Follow them carefully to complete the update process. And there you have it. You have successfully edited your phone number in Gmail on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.